Okay, so in this question, you're given the area of the trapezoid, okay? And you're told the front and the back widths. So the front is 8 meters and the back is 12 meters. Sorry, not centimeters. That should be 12 meters. Okay, and the question says, what's the length of the yard from the front to the back? Well, this is the front of the yard and this is the back of the yard, so the length from the front to the back would be the height of the trapezoid. If you look at it as a trapezoid, that's the height, which is the length from one end to the other, right? So you're given the area and you're given the two side lengths that are parallel to each other. We need to find the height. So you need to know the formula of the area of a trapezoid. We'll use this one.
So it's a plus b
Yeah.
times h
Yep.
over 2.
Good. Okay, so we're going to use a formula of the area of a trapezoid because we're given the area. So we know we're working with area. So looking at the formula, do we have the area? Do we know the area of the trapezoid? Anyway, did they give you that information in the question?
Yes, 8
Yeah.
meters.
No.
Oh,
So they tell you the area is 100 meters. Okay, so I'm going to replace area with the value of it. I know what it is. Do we know side length A from the question? Do you know one of the side lengths?
yes, b is 12 meters and
Yeah.
a is 8 meters.
Good. So I'm going to replace A with 8. I'm just plugging in values into my formula. So the formula is A plus B. And do you know B?
b is 12 meters.
Good. B is 12. So A plus B, 8 plus 12. Do we know the height of
No.
the trapezoid? No, that's our unknown. So in order to solve this, in order to solve an equation, you must have only one unknown, right? All of this is divided by 2. Well, we're going to have to use BEDMAS and we're going to have to isolate our variable. In this case, it's h. Okay, so what's the first thing you do to simplify? So let me put this on the other page. Hold on. So looking at the left side and the right side, we have 100 on the left side. And on the right side, we can simplify what's in our brackets. We can add this 8 plus 12, which is, what's 8 plus 12?
20.
Good. Okay, so now we have 20 divided by 2 times h. Can you simplify anything else here?
20 divided by 2.
Yeah, we can divide 20 by 2. So I'm leaving my 100 on the left side, and 20 divided by 2 is
10.
10, and it's 10h, right? 10 times h. So to isolate h, we want to do the opposite operation. Opposite of multiplying 10 times h is dividing by 10 to cancel out. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. So now I've isolated my h, and now I can just simplify 100 divided by 10. That's 100 divided by 10.
10.
10. And that's it. So therefore, the length of the yard from the front to the back is 10 what? What was the unit we were working with?
Meters.
Meters. Good.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.